All right, so let's talk weather, because that is definitely going to be impacting folks traveling this week.
Yeah, especially because we have these really strong winds that are expected to arrive tomorrow afternoon. So if you're flying, especially out of San Jose or maybe San Francisco or Oakland, they're talking about potential for gusts 60 miles per hour.
Wow.
So
crazy.
That could cause some more delays out there too. Now this is a live look outside in Sacramento, where we are seeing again a few light showers around the area, a little bit heavier further to the south. 56 degrees right now in Sacramento in southeast at about 6 miles per hour. We're continuing to track this rain as it moves its way to the north and east. Here's some of the areas that we're watching. So around Galt and Lodi, just to the east of Stockton, we're seeing some moderate rain shower activity here. This again is moving its way to the north and east. We're seeing some of that around Pollock Pines as well. Heading up toward Truckee, we're generally seeing some spotty light shower activity. Same around Incline Village, South Lake Tahoe. We've been seeing some snow around Kirkwood and Bear Valley, but most of that is again higher elevation. So for the most part, 50 and 80 looking okay. Now, here is a look at Futurecast. As we set this in motion, notice that we continue to see showers today, the heaviest, the foothills and up into the Sierra. I do think we'll have a little bit better chance to see some rain for Stockton and Modesto a little bit later on this morning. Then as we get into the afternoon, it becomes even more scattered. Again, snow levels staying a little bit higher for us today. Now, as we get into Tuesday, we get a little bit of a break. Mostly cloudy skies. Might even see the sun peeking through a little bit in the Sierra. But Tuesday afternoon and into Wednesday, that's when we expect the strongest of those winds to arrive. And like I said, especially in those counties there along the coast, that's where we could see winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour. Tuesday night into Wednesday, here comes the rain again. And this time the snow levels are dropping down to 5,500 feet. Wednesday and Thursday is when we expect to see the heaviest of that snow in the Sierra. So let's talk about the watches and warnings. Flood watch, everybody here in the green. Flood advisories for these areas here, including Grass Valley and Blue Canyon. Blue Canyon seeing already over 11 inches of rain. So urban and small stream flooding is likely, especially in low-lying, poor drainage areas. Winter storm watch in place for the areas shaded in blue. Snow levels dropping down to 5,500 feet. That's going to happen Tuesday night. That's going to continue all the way through Friday. We're going to be measuring that snow in feet. In fact, up to 6 feet of snow around Donner Pass. We also have that high wind watch. So that's for the areas in gold. So again, if you're flying out of SFO or Oakland or San Jose Tuesday night, that could be a problem for you with those winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour. Now, 7-day forecast. Like I said, a little bit of a break early in the day on Tuesday, but Wednesday and Thursday, that's when we expect to see more heavy rain. And that is when we expect the snow to finally show up.
Like a lot of snow.
A lot of snow.
Yeah, definitely. Well, it's about time.
It'll be interesting to watch.
I know
for
you've
sure.
been watching it.
Oh yeah, I was trying to get out and do some skiing. Yeah.